Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create custom pair in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bither application on your device. Here, you'll need to enter your PIN code to get access to your wallet. After that, click on Settings button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now, click on Advanced Options button. After that, you'll need to find the option labeled as Custom Pair. Click on it and type in the DNS or IP address on the first field here. And type in the port number on the second field here. After that, make sure that if you are using a Bitcoin Core version 0.19.0.1 and above, please make sure you have following parameters configured, where pair bloom filter should be set to 1, block filter index and pair block filter, all of these filters should be set to 1. After typing in your custom pair, click on OK button and you will get a message saying custom pair complete and click on OK button. Now to check your custom pair, click on custom pair option and you will see it there. So that is how you can create a custom pair in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.